Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound USD, etc. etc. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 1st March 2021. Monday. So this video is for Monday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. And for regular market analysis, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. So you can see that market is right now trading at 0.7230. Okay. Market is trading at this level, and you can see that there was a huge fall. There was a huge fall that we cannot ignore. Okay, there was a huge fall in the last trading session, and after that market tried to go up a little. Okay, and again market started coming down. So right now I'll say that right now market is in no trading zone. In this zone you should not trade. Okay, let the market cross either this level, okay, this level of 0.7222 or 0.72915. Okay, these are the levels that we need to look for, because this kind of selling pressure we cannot ignore. Okay, and to initiate a trade, wait, let me take the pencil, so that I can draw. Okay. Though I'm not a good artist, still I like to show you with the help of drawings. Okay, if you see that, okay, market has bounced and market crosses this level. Okay, if market crosses this level, then also let the market stay above this level at least for 1 hour. Let the resistance become the support. Let the market trade comfortably over the resistance. Okay, then only you should go ahead and place the buy order. If market is in this range, I'll say that do not trade or just avoid trading. This is your no trading zone. In case market slips, okay, in case market slips and breaks this support, then also you can short the market. If you see that, okay, the size of the candles are very big, new sellers have joined the party again, then also you can go ahead and short the market. If you see that selling pressure has come to the market again, there are sellers who are not allowing the market to go up and they want to push the market down further. Okay, if you see some heavy volume, then you can short the market below this level. But right now market is trading in a no trading zone. So let the market trade here, and if it crosses this level, buy. If it crosses this level, sell. But confirmation is important. Wherever the market goes, if market breaks the level, let the market trade above the level. Okay, so buy for 1 hour at least. If it breaks the level, let the market trade below the level for 1 hour at least. Okay, so confirmation is important. If you're using any indicator of your own choice, or say any candlestick pattern, then it's up to you. Okay, you can also use that, but confirmation is important. Okay, because it's your hard-earned money. Okay, and you should have some discipline. So the first and foremost duty of a trader is to protect the capital, and you can only protect the capital when you have some discipline. Okay, so this is the analysis of NZD USD for 1st May 2021 Monday. Okay, so if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also visit my channel for other videos. If you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck. See you tomorrow.